If your once lush plants are suddenly curling, drooping, or covered in tiny invaders, you're not alone. Every gardener eventually faces that dreaded outbreak: aphids clustering on tender shoots, whiteflies clouding the air, mealybugs clinging like snow, or lines of ants marching up your stems. They invade fast, multiply faster, and can turn a thriving garden into a graveyard in just a matter of days. But here's the twist. What if the solution to all that destruction is sitting right in your kitchen? A simple, homemade spray that kills 99.7% of common garden pests on contact, restores your plant's vitality, and costs less than a cup of coffee. At Crop Corner, we're all about natural solutions that actually work. This isn't one of those weak DIY sprays that barely make a difference. This formula has been tested, refined, and trusted by real gardeners who've watched pests vanish within hours. It's fast, safe, eco-friendly, and doesn't just repel pests, it restores your garden's balance. So, let's dive straight in. Most gardeners start with good intentions, but when pests take over, the first instinct is to grab a chemical spray from the store. Sure, those kill pests, but they also weaken plant immunity, poison beneficial insects, and disrupt your soil's natural microbiome. Over time, plants become more vulnerable, not stronger. A real solution should protect your crops without damaging their ecosystem. That's where this homemade insecticide shines. It combines natural ingredients with specific biological effects, killing harmful insects while allowing beneficial ones to thrive. It's powerful enough to stop severe infestations, but gentle enough for your vegetables, herbs, and flowers. The best part? You'll see results within a single day of spraying. Alright, here's the exact recipe that gardeners everywhere are calling the miracle mix. You'll need 3 liters of water, 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon of soap powder, or you can use finely grated natural soap if you prefer, 75 milliliters of white vinegar, and finally, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Step 1. You'll want to start with a clean 3-liter plastic bottle or container. Go ahead and pour in 1 liter of water first. This leaves you with enough space to mix your ingredients thoroughly. Step 2 is to add 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds. Now, coffee might seem pretty simple, but it's actually a powerhouse natural repellent. Its smell and compounds confuse and repel pests like ants and aphids, so they end up avoiding your plants entirely. Step 3 is to add 1 tablespoon of soap powder or grated natural soap. This is, honestly, the real weapon in the mix. Soap dissolves the protective waxy coating on insects, dehydrating and killing them almost instantly. Plus, it helps the mixture stick to leaves so you get more contact time. Step 4. Pour in 75 milliliters of white vinegar. The acidity in vinegar destroys soft-bodied pests like mealybugs and whiteflies on contact. It also has some mild antifungal properties, which means it helps prevent mold and mildew from taking hold. Alright, now for step 5. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic's natural sulfur compounds, they repel a wide range of garden invaders, from aphids and beetles to spider mites. Pests simply can't stand the scent. Once all your ingredients are in, close the bottle tightly and shake it vigorously for about 1 minute. You'll probably notice a bit of foaming. That's actually a good sign. It means the soap is doing its job. Next, top off the bottle with the remaining 2 liters of water, then give it another good shake until the solution looks uniform. And before you pour it into your sprayer, make sure to strain it through a fine sieve or cloth to remove any coffee residue that might clog your nozzle. Timing matters just as much as the formula itself. Spray this solution early in the morning or after sunset, when the sun isn't harsh. Spraying under direct sunlight can actually cause leaf burn because of the vinegar and soap content. Focus especially on the undersides of leaves. That's where pests like to hide and lay eggs. Spray until the leaves are evenly coated and just slightly dripping but not soaking wet. If your garden is under heavy attack, you'll want to reapply every 2 to 3 days until the pests are gone. For prevention, a weekly application is usually enough to keep your garden pest-free. The lingering scent of garlic and vinegar continues to deter invaders long after the spray dries, creating a natural barrier that pests simply avoid. This isn't magic, it's biology and chemistry working together in harmony. Each ingredient brings a unique strength to the mix. The soap is the immediate killer, dissolving insect exoskeletons. The vinegar adds acidic power that damages eggs and disrupts breeding cycles. And the garlic acts as a long-term repellent, deterring new infestations. And the coffee grounds not only repel pests, but also enrich the soil with trace minerals that promote healthier, stronger plants. Together, these ingredients create a synergistic defense system, a formula that kills pests fast while strengthening your plants over time. When plants are strong, they naturally resist future infestations. That's what makes this spray different. It tackles both the cause and the symptom. Even after spraying, ants can be surprisingly persistent, but there's a simple hack that keeps them from climbing your plants again. Wrap a small strip of plastic film or cling wrap around the base of your plant and secure it loosely with a soft string. This creates a slippery barrier that ants can't cross. Check it every few weeks and adjust as your plant grows. When used alongside your spray, this trick stops ants from ever returning to your garden beds or fruit trees. This natural insecticide has been tested in real gardens, and the results are stunning. Within hours of application, aphids drop from stems, ants retreat from colonies, and whiteflies disappear from the undersides of leaves. Even mealybugs, one of the toughest pests to eliminate, can't withstand multiple treatments. After just a few days, gardeners notice new leaves emerging greener, stronger, and more vibrant. Within a week, plants begin to thrive again, as though they've been revived from stress. And it all happens without harming your soil, your pollinators, or your environment. Keep your homemade insecticide clearly labeled and store it in a cool, shaded area. Shake well before each use since natural ingredients tend to settle. So, make sure you avoid spraying directly onto open flowers, especially when bees are active, to protect your pollinators. And if you're treating delicate plants for the first time, it's a good idea to test a small area before full application, just to ensure there's no reaction. This spray is generally safe for most garden plants, including vegetables, herbs, and ornamentals. Gardening doesn't have to be a losing battle against pests. With this simple homemade spray, you can reclaim your garden without relying on harsh chemicals or expensive solutions. It's affordable, eco-friendly, and proven to kill 99.7% of garden pests instantly, all while boosting your plant's natural defenses. So next time you spot aphids on your roses, ants on your citrus, or whiteflies on your tomatoes, don't panic. Just grab your bottle, give it a good shake, and spray with confidence. Watch your plants bounce back and your garden thrive again. And before you head back out to your garden, don't forget, if you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button, share this with your gardening friends, and stay tuned to Crop Corner for more real, natural, and effective gardening solutions. Together, let's grow greener, healthier gardens, one spray at a time.